What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. She's getting ready to take her driving test in about half an hour. The DMV opens in about half an hour. So they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel away from the curb. You put the gear shift into park, pull the parking brake, and then turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead. Do your turn signal for me. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. Press the brake.
Oh.
So they're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working.
Okay.
They make sure the brake lights, horn, and turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Alright? So now the examiners are in the car. For those of you that are actually watching the older videos where I'm telling you that people are calling you on the phone, they are now in the car, so they're going to sit in the car and they're going to give you instruction. Alright, so now we're going to reverse from here and we're going to go to the left. So back out, straight out. So you're going to back out until your mirror gets to the end of the line. Keep the wheel straight, look behind you. And now you're going to turn all the way to the right. Look behind as you continue to back out. Okay, that's good enough. We're going to go to the stop sign and we're going to make a left turn. Why is this person stopped on this side? Like, really? Alright, go ahead and make a left turn. So make sure you're signaling left. So every time they tell you to turn, you signal. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. If you don't signal, you're going to lose 4 points for each one. So make sure you signal every time. Alright, we're going to go down to the end and we're going to make a left turn. Alright. Make sure you signal left. Stop completely. 1, 2, 3. This gimbal does the stupidest thing. It does whatever it wants to. It just turns on its own. I'm like, nah. Alright, stay close to your right side as usual. And we're making the right turn as soon as you pass this tree sticking out here. Stay close to your right side here and just straighten up. Alright, straighten up and stop. So they're going to tell you to stop here. And then they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop, right? So go ahead, speed up to 20 miles per hour and sudden stop. And stop. Okay, cool. Now reverse, straight back. Look behind and just roll straight back. No gas, nothing, just nice and easy. Okay, that's good enough. Alright, good. Put it back in drive. We're gonna go down. We're gonna make the second left turn. Closer to your right side though. Signal left. Again, don't forget to signal because that's 4 points for each one. 4 negative points. You don't want any points. Close to the right side here. And then you're gonna line up your mirror. And park in between the cones. Up a little bit more, line it up a little bit more. Okay, cool. Straighten up. Put straight in. Cool. Alright, now we're gonna reverse and we're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. Keep the wheel straight as you back out. When your mirror is past the curb, the cone, I should say, or the pole, you're turning all the way right, so you can go to the left to do your 3-point turn. When your mirror is past the middle here, you're gonna stop like that. Alright. Pull up next to the lane on the line on the right side, so you can do the 3-point turn. Closer to the right is always better. Alright, stop here. Alright, 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. You're gonna stop before you hit the curb. Reverse all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder. Left shoulder. When your mirror is past the middle, that's when you're going to stop. Like that's good. Put it back in drive, signal left again, turn all the way left. Alright, so now we're gonna make a left turn at this stop sign. Come to a complete stop. 1, 2, 3, and go ahead. Crazy people always in the road. DMV line, look at the line. Early morning. Crazy. Alright, stay close to your right side. And we're making a left turn, and then we're making a quick left turn. That's another line?
Yeah. I usually don't get up to the first one, so.
I make a left again. I stay close to your right side. Close to the right, and then park in between one of those spaces. Alright, go ahead, line up your mirror. Turn all the way left. Straighten up, go straight in, and stop. Cool. Put it in park. Alright, how do you think you did?
I think I did okay. Good.
You did good.
Okay.
You did really good, actually. Alright, so yeah, when we came here earlier this morning and started to practice, she had no idea.
Yeah.
And now she's most definitely going to pass. With 100, right?
100 for sure. For sure.
100. Okay, so ask these people please to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to his channel. It makes a difference.
It does, it does, it does. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.